Good morning, dear students. Let us start IMG tag. Have a look on the screen. One web page is shown there. You can see the same one in your book also on the page number 112. Observe this web page. At the top, one paragraph is written. After that, two images are there, and in the between of these two images, text is written. How it is possible? Now I am showing you its program. How it is possible? After the body tag, you can see in the body bg color is given, text color is also given. After that, one paragraph is written. Creativity requires up to inspirations. After this paragraph, img tag is given. Img src equal funny1.jpg. This is the name of the image which we are inserting in our web page. After that, I told you about the align attribute yesterday, or day before yesterday. I told you align equal right means the first image will come to the right side, and next one attribute is h space. This attribute is new for you. What is the meaning of the h space? H space means horizontal space, means whatever the text you will write, horizontally 30 pixel space will be blank from that image. In the same way, you can see next one, v space is there. V space equal 30 means vertically 30 pixel space will be left blank from that image, means from the left side or the right side of that image 30 pixel space will be left blank. Horizontally 30 pixels from the top side and the bottom side, 30 pixel space will be left blank. S space for horizontal space, V space for vertical space. And height width, I also told you about the changing the size of the image. Height is given 150 and width is given 150. Height and width, as yesterday I told you, in the percentage. You can give height and width in percentage also, and in the pixels also. So the conclusion is, in the first image the size is reduced of the image, and its horizontally space and vertically space is given 30 pixel, and the image is aligned right. Have a look on the web page. One image is coming to the right side, and 30 pixel space is left blank from the top and bottom side, and 30 pixel space is left blank from the left and right side because of S space and V space attribute. The purpose of our this web page is to understand you S space and V space attribute. In the second one tag, it is the same except that align is equal to left, means the first one image was coming to right side and the second one image we want to the left side. For that we have to align it to the left side. The remaining is same. After that we have written one paragraph, and when this paragraph will be printed, it will come in between the both of the images, just like as you are looking here. So dear students, if you face any problem, you can contact me. Thank you.